Thank you for taking the time to view this COMET tool training video. The COMET tools were developed at the Natural Resource Ecology Laboratory located at Colorado State University. The COMET tools were developed in collaboration and funding support from the Natural Resources Conservation Service and the Climate Change Program Office at the United States Department of Agriculture. My name is Matthew Sturmer. I am an agronomist and the Outreach and Education Specialist for the COMET tools. I will be guiding you through this video. This video focuses on uploading GIS data such as shapefiles in the COMET-Farm tool. The shapefile upload feature can be used in COMET-Farm when defining multiple or individual crop fields, pastures, agroforestry systems, or forest parcels. Using the COMET field upload feature can save time by reducing the need to identify each unique location of management. To begin, sign into your COMET-Farm account by clicking on Sign In, Start Using COMET-Farm, or the Tool tab. If you do not have a COMET-Farm account, you can create one by clicking Register and following the simple 6 steps. In order for your project to be saved, you will need to create an account. Once you are signed in, you can create a new project by clicking on the Create New Project button. I will name this project Shapefile Upload and click Create. As you can see, that project was added to the projects list here on the left. Now I will select the Cropland pasture range for my category. For this demonstration, I will be working within the Cropland module, but you can use the GIS file upload feature in any other modules where you define a specific parcel, field, or stand, including agroforestry and forestry. Now I will click on Define Activities to move on to the Parcel Locations step. In the Parcel Locations window that appears first on the COMET-Farm map page, you can click on No Thanks, I'll Navigate Myself. There is no need to enter in location details here, as the site information is contained within the shapefile that you will be uploading here shortly. To open the shapefile upload window, you will click on the Esri Shapefile Upload button located in the Map toolbar on the left. Clicking on the button will open the Upload window. Before you can upload the shapefile, you need to prepare it and retrieve some information from the shapefile itself. You will need to locate the shapefile that you plan to upload to COMET-Farm. Once you have located the shapefile, you will need to extract its contents if it is in a compressed zip format. To extract the contents, right-click on the file and select Extract All. Take note of the location of the folder where the contents will be saved. When all the files have been extracted, double-click on the folder. Now you need to find the file containing the field identification label. This information will be found in the .dbf file. To open the file, double-click it. If you have no tools installed on your computer that will allow you to view the contents of a .dbf file, you will need to select a program to open it. The Windows Can't Open This File window will appear. Make sure that you click on the option Select a Program from the list of installed programs, then click OK. The most commonly used program to open files of this type will be Microsoft Excel. You can select Excel if it appears in the list. If it does not appear, you will need to click on Browse button to select for it on your computer. Once you have selected Excel to be used, to open the file, you can click Open. The Excel file will open. If you do not have Excel installed on your computer, suggest you work with a colleague who has Excel installed on their computer, or install a freeware or shareware program such as DBF View or DBF Viewer, and open the file with that tool. You will find the field identification column label at the top left of the file. By field identification, we mean the column containing the names of the individual parcels, fields, or pastures points in the GIS file. For this example, the field identification label is in the column labeled ID. It is very important that you record the label name exactly as it appears in the file. This is not the field or parcel name. It is the label used to reference the individual parcel polygons. The actual parcel names are listed below this label. When entering the column label into COMET-Farm, it must be an exact match or the shapefile will not upload. Now that you have the field identification label, you will be able to upload the GIS data into COMET-Farm. When the upload window opens, click on the Browse button to the right of the File field. Navigate to the folder containing the shapefile that you would like to upload. Be sure to select the Compress zipped format to be uploaded. Click the Open button and it will appear in the File box. Next, you will need to enter the field identification label that was found in the .dbf file into the text box labeled Specify the Parcel Identification field. Remember to enter it in exactly as it appeared from the .dbf file. If any of the fields, pastures, or parcels in your GIS file are identified as points and not polygons, then you will need to enter the total area of all of the points in the text box labeled Total Area required for point files. If you have a combination of polygons and points in the GIS file, only enter the total area of points in the file. If you wish to overwrite any existing polygons in your project, click on the checkbox labeled Overwrite Existing Areas. Please note, doing so will delete all previously entered land use and management data for the existing fields, pastures, or parcels already entered for this project. Finally, click the Upload button. Depending on the total number of fields and their size, it can take anywhere from less than a minute to 5 minutes for COMET-Farm to upload the shapefile. Upon successfully uploading the shapefile, the fields will appear on the parcel locations map. In the event that there is a problem with this feature, please feel free to contact us at app.nrel@colostate.edu. Thank you for viewing this training video and for using the COMET-Farm tool.